Cuesta College students can now adjust their profile settings to display a preferred first name of choice. After adjusting their preferred first name, when accessing their Cuesta account, including their account in Canvas, a new first name will display. To adjust your preferred first name, start by launching the My Cuesta portal and logging in. When we first log in, the first name displayed at the top is Harry. To change that name, scroll through the list of icons and select Student Self-Service. The student profile page will display. In the list of links on the left, select Personal Information, and a new tab will open. Select Edit in the Personal Details. Change the field under Preferred First Name to the preferred name of your choice. Select Update. Go back to My Cuesta. Sign out. Sign back in. Note that I am still using the same username even though I have changed my preferred first name. But when we log in, the new name displayed is James. If I access Canvas, the preferred name displays there as well. And that is how Cuesta students can adjust their profile settings to display a preferred name of choice. If you need any assistance, please reach out by emailing support@my.cuesta.edu, and a Cuesta staff member will be happy to assist you.